Hello everyone, and today in this video we are going to draw Toothless in How to Train Your Dragon. First, draw an ear here, a lump, and then an ear here. Then draw a curve so they can be Toothless's head. Then draw two eyes nearly at the bottom of the face, like this. And then draw two curves inside the semicircle for the eyes. Go one big and one small, same on the other side, and the color in the eye. Afterwards, draw a quarter of a circle for the little ears here. And then for the other ear, draw a curve like this, and for the legs, draw a leg like this, and then another leg next to it. Then draw a curve here, then go up. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4 claws, then 1, 2, 3, 4 other claws, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we go like this for the tail, and then go on this, and then draw lines like for the wings. And then to draw the wing, go a curve like this, and then curve all the way to the end. Then same on the other side, curve to the other end, and then draw lines like for the tail. Color in Toothless lightly with the pencil. After you're done, get your green and color in the eye. After, get your pencil and make the shadows. Here, lighter, lighter, lighter. After you're done adding the shadow, get your pen and then trace over the lines that you did with pencil. you made Toothless. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.